Transform your original car's wired CarPlay and Android Auto into seamless wireless experiences, enjoying greater convenience and smarter driving pleasure. Getting rid of data cables, no need for long cables to connect to the phone and your car, and no need for additional USB-A conversion cables. Using your iPhone, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and match the boxes. Bluetooth signal. Wireless CarPlay is available once the connection is matched.
Hey Siri, call 10086.
After the initial pairing connection, subsequent connections can be made automatically. Turn on Android phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and match the box's Bluetooth. Signal Wireless Android Auto is available after successful pairing with the car.